So as well as we could, we made the past, 20 years earlier. Living there for just a week or less had the effect of improving their hearing, their vision, their strength, their memory, and they looked noticeably younger. So that was the first of these. People can read the book to see what some of them are very exciting, but let me give you the most recent. We inflicted a wound. Now, we don't want to hurt anybody, so it's not a major wound, but a wound nonetheless. And again, we use a clock, a rigged clock. So a third of the people are in front of a clock that's going twice as fast as real time. A third of them are in front of a clock that's going half as fast as real time. And for a third of them, it's real time. And what happens is that the wound heals based on how much time you think has passed, rather than how much time has actually passed.